Hello everyone, welcome to another SD1 video. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure to do so if you want to see more of this content. But today is a bit more of a positive video. I have a lead on some carbs, which is great. Sadly that will not be occurring in this video, but we have the main event, which is the sticker. So we're going to get the new sticker on, which is going to be great. And we're also going to bolt all of it on together so it's not a smouldering mess. Not like it is anyway. And just tidy it up in general. So it might be a very short one, but at least we're moving somewhere. Oh, and we also have a gear knob as well. Can you see there? Wow, straight from China. Amazing. Apparently it's very heavy and very cold, but at least we have one for now. So if anyone does have a lead though on a proper one, do let us know. But the man can't even shift. Yeah, anyone has a lead on a proper one, just let me know. But thank God we have one. Of course, the interior is still as clean as ever. So it really is just a case of whacking that sticker on finally. And sorting the engine bay out. But very nice stuff. A bit of progress at least. But the carbs is something obviously that we're gonna have to wait for until the guy comes back to me about them. You know who you are, so thank you for that. Let's whack the sticker on. This is very exciting, as you can see. It fits perfectly, so that's really nice. Let's say this needs doing again. I think it looks all right the way it is. So I stick it on the wrong way around, that'd be so funny. Yeah, I think it goes on that way, and then obviously gotta bolt this all back together, and then we're all fine. I'm gonna spray that as well while we're here, because that looks a bit of a mess. See, that's done a good job. It's looking nice. It's just a bit of sprucing up, I guess. Got the Haynes manual on the top of the car. This is holding up, but then it's decided to sag again. But it's very rare that these don't sag, I'm afraid. A few other bits, once we get them carbs, of course, then we can actually start doing all the other stuff again. So we're at a bit of a standstill with it, I'm afraid. But hopefully this isn't too boring. But at least we have a fully serviced and sort of working car. So I'll stick this sticker on and start sorting things out. There we go. Very action packed. Sticker is on. Slightly a bit smaller, but that's how they all are. But at least we have it on. Now, of course, it's the case of really just bolting this rocker cover back together. And then I'm going to move and just do the top of this for now, because I think it looks rather rancid. So I'm going to cover all this up and then sort that out. I don't think I'm going to take it off yet. I just kind of want the top of it to look a bit better. Right, so now all of our new bolts are in. Screws, as you can see, it's looking out rather nice. Just got to wait for that paint to dry. I've got a bit of a dribble there though. So looking nice. We're looking real nice. So there we go, I've painted that as well, that little heat shield, and it's not looking too bad. I think I might skip out on that side for now, because we do actually have a secondary one that I'm thinking about putting on, but we'll see. Yeah, there we go, looking rather nice. Don't have a lot to do this week, I'm afraid, until the carbs are obviously here, but a little bit of sprucing up, it has never harmed anyone, has it? And that's looking, to me, that looks really nice. That's a really nice looking engine bay. Also sanded that a bit down and sprayed it over, and I think it's the subframe, and also where the engine mounts there as well. I've also sprayed them. So we're looking all right, and sprayed that. So we've got a bit of room. Not looking too bad, especially for an amateur job. Very nice. Need to clean the top of the rock cover as well, because it's looking a bit murky. Just got to get rid of a few more nasties on this, and then we can spray it over. As you can see, it's a bit rough around there, so it's just a case of sanding it down a bit more and then spraying it black. Then we'll look very clean in that area at least, and then we've got to tackle these bits, but that's for... So there we go, the timing cover is now black, as well as the radiator, and this is all silver, and that is black as well, so it's looking a bit nicer. Other things I think we might need to have a look at. It's not dirty in here anymore, it's just a bit of obviously people coming in and out, but it's not dirty, it's not really anything, to be fair. We do have a new set of door handles which we need to fit when we do the interior stuff, so that's in another video. I've sourced a bit of headliner material as well. Gonna get a whole roll of that, and then we're gonna sort this out. Look rather nice. But the interior is obviously for another day, because we actually need to get it running. But other than that, looking all right. So you'll join me in a second when we see what we can do. We kind of need to clean all this all this down, but it's not looking too bad, is it? Kind of buggered this side up a little bit. Didn't really do that as well as I wanted to, but at least we're silver on both sides. So there we go, everyone, end of the video. So basically, these weren't as bad as we thought. The number plate lights, it was literally just a case of just sorting the contacts out. This one, however, is broke. The little holder has broke, so don't want that. So yeah, we're going to need to sort that out. But other than that, not a very productive day, I'm afraid. Number plate lights are working now. Engine bay is looking a bit better. I'll have a look. There you go. I've also fitted that again, so these are obviously all thingy-mabob. It's looking all right. So today we've sorted the engine bay out and made it look a whole lot nicer. I mean, look at that, it looks really nice. Sorted that out. Fixed the only light now on the back side of the car. Well, now all of our lights are working. So number plate lights, these. Just put the hazards on. Whack them on. Oh god, there's something in my mouth. Whack the hazards on wherever they are in this car. God, you don't half not know where they are, do you? But full beam, everything works. Flash, obviously that works, as you can see. Indicator. That's about it, really. Oh, the hazards are there. So they're on. Let's go to the back. They're on in here as well. See, all working. Very nice. So next is we're going to go on a road trip to go collect some carbs. Of course, we're not going to be going in this. I'm hoping, obviously, we do get to actually do that, because that'll be very irritating. There's the internal lights, by the way, they all work. Of course, all of our dashboard works as well now, which is brilliant. So it really is the case of not a lot of progress, but at least we've done something. So we've sorted all that mess out inside here, looking rather nice. We just need to now, after this, we need to get the new carbs. They'll be rebuilt ones, I'm hoping. Get a new thingy for that, and then hopefully she'll fire straight up, and then we can sort the brakes, everything out. So thank you for watching, everyone. Keep watching, and remember to subscribe for more of this.